Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the K1 Max 3D printer. First, carefully unpack your K1 Max, removing all protective packaging materials. Next, connect the power cable and place the printer on a stable, level surface to ensure optimal operation. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial bed leveling and calibration process, which is crucial for successful first prints. This foundational setup ensures your printer is ready for its first task. Now, let's prepare for printing. Load your chosen filament into the K1 Max, making sure it feeds smoothly into the extruder without any kinks. Then, install Creality Print, the recommended slicing software, on your computer. Import your three-dimensional model into the slicer and adjust key print settings such as layer height, infill density, and support structures to optimize your print quality and efficiency. This step is vital for translating your digital design into a physical object. With your model sliced, it's time to start printing. Transfer your generated G-code file to the K1 Max using either a USB drive or a convenient Wi-Fi connection. On the printer's intuitive touchscreen, simply select your file and initiate the print job. It's important to closely monitor the first few layers to confirm proper bed adhesion and consistent filament extrusion. This early observation can prevent common printing issues and ensure a successful outcome. To keep your K1 Max performing at its best, regular maintenance is key. Always clean the print bed with isopropyl alcohol before each print to ensure optimal adhesion. Inspect the nozzle for any signs of wear and replace it as needed, typically after 200 to 300 hours of printing. Additionally, keep the printer's firmware updated to access the latest features and performance enhancements, ensuring a smooth and efficient printing experience for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.